We've seen the last quarter or two with the euro going down, more demand from American investors was cheaper to them, and also from Asian investors who wants to invest more in Europe.
I'm going to say, my perspective as a small, I'd say, entrepreneurial company working with a number of funds, principally there's literally a tidal wave of cash coming into the market. Some of it's intelligent, some of it's very, very well versed in the market, some of it isn't, and there's a degree of desperation in spending that money, I think, which is creating some interesting dynamics. Yes, fantastic for us as facilitators and indeed co-investors ourselves with our own cash, but nevertheless that tidal wave is generating some interesting scenarios in terms of what I think are good places to invest in the medium to long term.
Yeah, and I think adding on to that, I think we've yet to see the Far East money pour in here to the same extent, and I think that's going to be quite interesting. It's starting,
absolutely starting,
but in our
now,
sector, it hasn't happened yet, but I think it will do. And I think that's going to be very interesting.
So that's something where at the moment that Asian capital, Far Eastern capital is beginning to come into real estate in Europe, but so far hasn't made its way into the industrial and logistics sector.
Yeah, I think if you look, and Mike was saying with Hoops, we're owned by TPG and Ivanhoe Cambridge, so the Castor Depot from Canada and TPG and Equity House. It's all been sort of American and Canadian money coming over here.
The Asian money's there now, it's right on the doorstep.
I think so.
And its
I'd agree with that.
perspective is different again.